How can a tiny drawing represent something as huge as an entire building? Or how can a small map represent a whole country? The answer is scale. Welcome to Easy Math, and in today's video, we will understand the concepts of scales. Example, let's say an architect has to build the structure of a house that is 50 meters long. Now, to represent that in a small piece of paper, these 50 meters can be represented and divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions, and each portion can be represented by 1 centimeter in a small paper. Remember, the scale represents the relationship between the drawing size and the actual size. As here, our drawing is representing that 1 centimeter is representing 10 meter of the actual building. Let's understand with few more examples. Imagine you are drawing the floor plan of a room and the length of the room is 8 meters. On the scale, 1 centimeter is representing 2 meters. So what should be the length of this room on the map? So in this case, since 2 meters is represented by 1 centimeter, hence to represent 8 meters, we will be dividing 8 by 2, which will give me 4 centimeters. Hence, the length of the room on the drawing would be 4 centimeters. Here's a question for you to solve. The question is, a playground, the length is 20 meters and the scale is 1 centimeter is represented by 5 meters. So what should be the length of the playground on the scale drawing? Do mention your answers in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember that math gets easier only by practice. Happy learning. Wish you the best.